Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play All I Want by Olivia Rodrigo from High School the Musical, the series. So I'm going to be teaching you the piano accompaniment part today. I will do the odd bit of singing here and there, and then I'll play it all the way through for you at the end. I've left the full chord song lyrics in the description below, so go and check that out there. So before we continue, hello, my name is Francesca and I'm the teacher here at Bitesize Piano. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'd love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. Please give the video a like if you enjoy it and that it's useful. I do take piano tutorial requests, so if you would like to request one from me, stick around to the end of the video with our instructions on how you can do that. Here on Bitesize Piano I make all sorts of tutorials, so go have a rummage around my channel, see what else you can learn. Make sure to hit the notifications bell, and I've left a few playlists in the description below to get you started. And finally, thank you to everyone who chooses to support Bitesize Piano on Patreon and other avenues. You know who you are. Thank you very much. It's really appreciated. If you are interested in supporting the channel in that way, the links are in the description below. So let's dive in. This one starts off in the key of E flat major, and there is a key change towards the end. So on the screen now are the notes of the scale of E flat major. So the melody and the chords are formed using those notes. So we'll look at the intro first. Here is middle C for reference. So if you locate that pitch on your piano, the first chord is an E flat major. So the top voicings of the chords is going like that. So I don't want you to play that. So I'm going to be forming the chords around those notes. So these will be the top voices of the chords. So this will determine which inversions of the chords we use. So they all happen to be second inversions, which is funny. So we've got E flat major, second inversion, which is B flat, E flat, and G. And this is a quite quick succession of chords. So it'll be a good one to practice your chord changes around black notes as well. And then the next chord is a C minor second inversion, which is G, C, and E flat. So far we have. Then you're going to move that shape down to G minor second inversion, which is B, G, and B flat. And you're going to kind of flip that round to A flat major second inversion. So that's E flat, A flat, and C. So I'll do that again. We're going to play that 3 more times. And he does it again. The left hand then is just following the root notes of those chords. E flat, C, G, A flat. You could use your thumb on the E flat if you wanted. And that's it. So the intro is going to play this progression 2 times. Into the verse, you're going to play that 2 more times. Found a guy who told me I was a star. And then we're going to come up to the C minor again. I'm going to play that twice. And then we have a G minor in root position this time, but with a B flat in the bass. So that's G minor over B flat, play that twice. And then we're going to come up to A flat, root position, with A flat in the bass. And play that 4 times. And you repeat that again. So that's the bit where she's singing, but he's perfect on paper, but he's lying to my face. Does he think that I'm the kind of girl who needs to be saved? And then it's into this again by itself. And then you repeat that verse again. So it's like verse 1, and then there's a little interlude, and then there's verse 2. So the second verse is where she's singing, and there's one more boy from my past. What I'm going to do is play the verse all the way through to the end of the second verse. And then it's into the pre-chorus. So it's a very short pre-chorus, so it's where she's singing, and I'll say that I'm through, but this song's still for you. So it's only 2 chords in that bit. So you're going to play a B flat major 4 times. This is a new chord. So it's B flat, D and F, and then B flat in the left hand. So you can play that 4 times. And I'll say that I'm through, but this song. So on when she says this song, if you can start playing octaves in the left hand, because it's like building up to the chorus. And then you're going to change the B flat into a B flat dominant 7th chord. So all you're going to do is add an A flat in there. If you can't play if you struggle to play those 4 notes, just play those 3 notes instead, because you're playing the B flats in the left hand anyway. And I'll say that I'm through with this song still for you. And then it's into the chorus. So we've got A flat major, which is a chord we've already done. So I'm going to continue playing octaves in my left hand, just so it amps it up, so the chorus has a bit more like impact. A flat major twice, B flat major twice, and then C minor 4 times. And you do that again. And then we're going to go in the right hand. So it's a C and an F, a C and a G, and then C and E flat. So that goes, play that twice, and then go back into A flat major again. And you're going to play the B flat, 1 and 2, and into the C minor. So it's like a little dramatic stop moment there. And then just to the A flat major again, and the B flat major twice. Then it's into the post chorus. So I'll just play all of that chorus through. All I want is love that lasts. It's all I want, too much to ask. Is there something wrong with me? into the post-chorus. So this is a part where she's singing, all I have is myself at the end of the day. Shouldn't that be enough for me? So what's happening there is you're gonna play an E flat major in this inversion in the right hand. So it's G, B flat and E flat. And the right hand, you're gonna do a descending bass line note. So you're gonna go E flat, D, C, B flat, and then A flat, and then you're going to change that to an A flat major. Play that 4 times. Let's do it again. And then he's going to come up to a B flat major. Shouldn't that be enough? And then you're going to repeat that an octave higher. You do it again. And then it's into the 3rd verse, but it's a little bit shorter than the first one. So that's where she's singing, and I miss the days where I was young and naive. So we just have the and then it's straight into the pre-chorus, so the B flats again, then B flat 7, and then it's into C major. So now we have changed key into F major. So we were in E flat major and we've gone up by a whole tone. So this is the scale of F major. So now the chords of the melody are formed using these notes instead. So now after the pre-chorus and after you've changed key, we're into the chorus. So it's the same structure, it's just everything is up by a tone now. So the new chords are B flat major, which we played before. Next chord is a C major. And then you're going to come down to D minor, which is A, D and F. And then we've got this. So you could just play the D and the G, D and A, D and F. So I'll do that again from the beginning. All I want is love that lasts. It's all I want, too much to ask. And then it does the B flat again. Back into the B flat. And then it's into, I guess, what's the post-chorus, but I'm going to call it the outro now because this is the last section before it ends. What can I say? All I have is myself at the end of the day. And all I want is that to be okay. So what's going on there is we have F major this time in this inversion, so A, C and F. And the left hand is going to go F, E, D, C, B flat, and just hold that B flat down, and C major. And then you're going to repeat that again, octave higher, then C in the right hand, which is G, C and E. And then your left hand's going to come down and play low Fs, or just a single F if you can't reach an octave, and an F major second inversion chord, so just below middle C, so it's A, F, C. So now I'm going to play it all the way through. I'm not going to sing, just so I can focus on playing, because I'm admittedly not that great at doing both at the same time. Whilst trying to control my voice, and so I sing as best as possible. But I will put which sections I'm playing above, and remember the whole chord song lyric structure, the link to that is in the description below. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.